we had a situation when I was growing up, and I think I was out of high school, but we had, in my high school, we had 2 girls and 2 boys that were in a vehicle together. The 2 boys in the front seats were seatbelted in. The 2 girls in the back seat were not seatbelted in. They were in a vehicle accident, and the 2 girls who were in the back seat were ejected from the vehicle, and both of them died. Most people, will have multiple injuries, versus just maybe a few cuts and scrapes from some flying glass that was in the cab. But those people, you think of neck injuries, you think of those brain injuries, those neck injuries, you think, they're going to have to be in a halo, one of those, it's a apparatus that fits on your shoulders and then kind of gets screwed into the skull to keep your neck stiff and straight so that you can't move, to really help that spine heal. And some people have lifelong injuries after car accidents like that, whether it's musculoskeletal, whether it's they had to have major surgery because they had, broken ribs, broken legs, broken arms. Those seatbelts really help keep people in their seats and keep all those help to keep some of that injury at a minimum, hopefully. But really, those brain and those neck injuries are so severe and so devastating to families because, again, now maybe somebody's having to help care for them. These chronic injuries can be a devastation for some of these families. Absolutely. Because, again, you don't know what the other driver is going to do. You can be as safe as you can be, and you may know, hey, I've never been in an accident, but you know what? There's lots of people that have never been in an accident, and then they, one day there's a random driver or who's not paying attention, who's texting on their phone, who's, doing whatever they're doing, and they end up causing that accident.